हेलो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हम ये 60 क्वेश्चन देखने वाले हैं। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हर जगह पूछे जाते हैं और जानना ज़रूरी भी है। पहला क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया एज ऑफ 2021? आंसर इज नरेंद्र मोदी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एज ऑफ 2021? आंसर इज रामनाथ कोविंद। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एज ऑफ 2021? आंसर इज एम वेंकटेश नायडू। हु इज़ द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर निर्मला सीतारामन। Who is the Foreign Minister of India as of 2021? Answer Subramaniam Jaishankar. Which is biggest two-digit number? Answer 99. Which is the smallest even number? Answer 2. Who is the Minister of Education as of 2021? Answer Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which Indian started the Prabuddha Bharat Journal? Answer Swami Vivekanand. Who is the RBI Governor of India? Answer Shaktikanta Das. Who is the Attorney General of India? Answer K. Venugopal. Who is known as the Father of Nation? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer Tehri Dam. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer Hirakud Dam. Which is the oldest dam in India? Answer Kalnai Dam. Which is the national tree of India? Answer Banyan tree. Which is the national bird of India? Answer peacock. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer Goa. How many cricket World Cups has India won? Answer 2 World Cups. Which is the national animal of India? Answer tiger. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Answer Dehradun. When is India's Independence Day? 15th August. Who is known as father of the Indian Constitution? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is Gir National Park in Gujarat famous for? Answer Loyan. Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer Mumbai. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer Kunchikal Falls. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer mango. Which is the national flower of India? Answer lotus. The national river of India. Answer Ganga. Which is the longest river bridge in India? Answer Dhola Sadia Bridge connecting Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the highest peak in India? Answer Kanchenjunga. The second highest peak in India? Mount Nanda Devi. What is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh called? Answer Kuchipudi. Which is the largest state of India by area? Answer Rajasthan. What is the capital of Mizoram? Answer Ajwal. New Delhi is the capital of? Answer India. Which is also called the southernmost Himalayas? Answer Sivaliks. What is another name of Sahyadris? Answer the Western Ghats. Where does Pak Strait lie? Answer India and Sri Lanka. Lithium deposits have been found in which Indian state recently? Answer Karnataka. Where is the name of the pass between Kailash and Mansarovar? Answer Mana Pass. Which pass links Srinagar to Leh? Answer Jojila Pass. What is the imaginary line that divides India into almost two parts known as? Answer Tropic of Cancer. Where is Lake Loktak situated? Answer Manipur. Where does the Narmada River originate from? Answer Amarkantak. Which is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats? Answer Mahendragiri. Which countries are separated by the Red Cliff Line? Answer India and Pakistan. Which countries are separated by Durand Line? Answer Afghanistan and Pakistan. Where is India's permanent research station Dakshini Gangotri located? Answer Karnataka. Which cities are called the twin cities of India? Answer Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Which state is called the sugar bowl of India? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Lord Buddha was born in? Answer Lumbini, Lumbini, Nepal in Nepal. Which reformer was associated with Prarthana Samaj? Answer Atmaram Pandurang. A figure with three sides is known as? Answer triangle. The smallest two-digit number is? Answer 10. A figure which has no sides and no corners are called? Answer circle या oval. When any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always? Answer 0. A figure with 4 equal sides is called? Answer square. What comes before 1000? Answer 999. Thank you guys. Please subscribe this channel.